go round the other way. Nice play, mate, well done. Blue left, blue left, blue left. Hi Stuart.
Hello mate. Lads, box location, anyone?
I have no idea. You alright?
Yeah mate, yeah.
Yeah, good, good, good.
Where we going mate?
I was just stood in here pegging dudes as they come in this doorway, mate. Having a wee sneaky peek through the fucking...
There was one in the stairwell.
I didn't know, I could hear the shooting, but I didn't know if he was good guy or bad guy. Just watch that fucking door there. I'm busting for a pee. I might have to walk out and go for a pee. Watch your gun sticking out the door. Wait. Got him. It's fucking loud, this bastard. Did you shit you up there, didn't it? Watch that left, mate. Apologies. Dan, watch the other corner. You alright? Pushing you. See ya. You want to come in the door? Do you want to stand in the door? Get some shots.
Hit.
Did you shoot me?
I pulled the trigger, I don't know if it hit
I'll call it. I'll call it. I'm going for a pee anyway. I'm busting. I don't know.